Hello children, hope you are doing good, isn't it? So now, today I have come to an end of the lesson, that is block 85 is for conserving energy for grade 5, right? So please maintain your hygienic conditions, wash your hands, sanitize your hands minimum 20 seconds with soap or liquid, and please take care of your health and take good nutrition diet, right children? Now we'll enter into the lesson. See here, in this lesson we are going to learn about the conserving energy. What are the ways to conserve the energy? Just see on the board. See first what we have to do, use and off. First we have to learn these two steps, use and off. What we have to use and what we have to off, here we are going to see. Close doors and windows when using AC. Now at present we are in summer, isn't it? So after using the summer, when we are using this AC, we have to close the doors and windows because we should conserve the energy. Next one, use ATM rating gadgets. Okay. Next one, use public transport to save the fuel for future generations. Cycle to nearby place. Some people, they will take even to the nearby place also they will go on bike. Why don't you save the fuel? Instead of going on this one, use cycle. Okay. Next one, switch off TV and computers when not in use. Right? Next one, switch off lights and fans. Also make this habit today to conserve the energy, to save the energy for future generations. Next one, unplug mobile after charging. Okay. Now, put off car engine at red lights. Right? Maintain vehicles. So these are all the ways we should follow to save the energy. Now we will enter into the reader children. Open your reader everyone. Children, open reader page number 157. In this one, conservation of energy is there. So here, just you observe these pictures, ways to conserve the energy. What all I said on the board, it is there, everything. So here also all points are there. Each and every point is there. So one thing I want to ask you, what happens during Earth Hour? What is Earth Hour? Why do countries have the Earth Hour? This all already you have seen in the TV, isn't it? So countries across the globe decide not to use electricity for an hour. This helps to save our sources of energy and help decrease pollution as well. Right children? So we need to save our non-renewable resources so that they can last us longer as we depend mainly on them for our energy uses. Okay. For our energy needs also. Okay, now here, see, already I said switch off lights, fans, computers when not in use, walking, cycle or using public transport, using energy saving bulbs and fans, save non-renewable resources. All these are the points to save the energy. So we can follow the above steps at home also, not only in the offices, in schools. Okay. And additionally, we should unplug gadgets, already I told you, when they are not in use. Use CFLS bulbs children. Switch off the engines at red lights, already I have told you. And get proper maintenance of vehicles as it helps to save oil. So in towns and cities, energy efficient bulbs should be used in street lights. Solar heaters should be installed in places like hospitals and hotels. Right? Use of public transport should be encouraged so that we can save the fuel. Right? Wind and hydropower plants should be set up, and energy efficient buildings which stay cool in summers and warm in winters should be built. So all these steps will help save our non-renewable sources of energy. We can encourage, right? We can encourage 3 things to happen by talking to our elected officials and supporting organizations that will build these things. And one more thing, here these days electronic appliances are being made such that they consume less electricity. So this is called star rating, right? So by star rating electric goods, star rating gadgets are energy efficient and use less electricity, right children? Now turn to workbook. Workbook here, page number 46. In this 46, read out this one. What can you do to save energy in school? Walk to school or use a bicycle or use public transport. Switch off lights and fans when not in use. Switch off computers when not in use. Right ways by which we can save petroleum. So walk to school or use a bicycle or public transport. Stop the car engine at long red lights. Right children? Now here, Rahul bought a 5-star rating air conditioner. How would it help in saving energy? So 5-star rating ACs consume less electricity and are energy efficient. They help in saving energy. That answer you have to write. Now we will go with question answers, what all it is there. Turn to page number 158. See 7th one. Which sources of energy need to be saved and why? So here, which sources, here answer I will show you. See here, non-renewable source of energy like coal, oil and gas need to be saved because they are limited in nature. They cannot be replenished. They are our main energy sources, right? Now we will go with 8th. Can non-renewable sources of energy be sufficient to meet our needs? Give reasons for your answer. So here, non-renewable sources of energy may not be sufficient to meet our energy needs completely. They are dependent on natural factor like wind, sun and water. They can be useful only if these factors are present, otherwise not. Moreover, they produce less energy and the process is costly. Okay, so whatever the work I have given for you, do the given work neatly and correctly. Thank you children.